everyone. I have a very nice guest from India, Dr. Darsana. We are in the ISAGSS course in Istanbul. It's Cosmetic, Reconstructive and Regenerative Medicine. Very happy to meet you here.
Thank you, sir.
And this is our last day of the course, the fourth day of the course. What's your experience? What's your expectancy? And what did you have here, if you can explain?
Yes, sir. Actually, I am new to this branch,
Yeah.
and with zero experience, I am coming to this course.
Uh-huh.
And I selected this course with lots of research. And I know you are one of the pioneers in this specialty, and I wanted to learn from the most experienced. And course was very exciting. Lots of new informations we got. Also, the hands-on was good. Also, many new information, new surgical techniques, and also the new therapies that are available in this field. Everything has been enlightened and given lots of information.
It was according to your expectancy, or
Yes.
you have more expected, or you are less expected
No,
before
it was
coming here?
more than what I have expected.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was huge 4 day, 2 days didactic and 2 days hands-on training, including labiaplasty, hodoplasty, vaginoplasty, perineoplasty, HA, laser, what else? SVF, extracellular matrix,
Regenerative.
fat, regenerative medicine, fat transfer, and PRP. We covered almost all of it. I'm very happy to hear this, because whenever you are happy, it makes me happy more.
Yes.
And thank you for joining us.
Thank you, sir. And it has been an honor to be part of this course, sir.
Yeah. Do you recommend?
Yes, of course.
Especially,
I do recommend, and I hope more of the people from my country, gynecologists, will be joining the course in the future.
Yeah.
I would definitely recommend.
Namaste. We are waiting for you.